Hey everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday. And this week we're going to be talking about the tax assessed value of your multifamily and commercial properties. Anything over 5 units and larger is what I'm talking about here. And I think this is one of the biggest blind spots when it comes to a lot of multifamily and commercial investing that I've seen. And it's probably one of the most important ones. So here's the deal. Before acquiring that type of property, I would strongly recommend you calling your local assessor of that property. County assessor, there's got to be somebody that you can reach out to, because what typically happens, especially in smaller communities, those properties get reassessed every time it changes hands. Because of that sales event, it's typically acquired at a higher value. And the government, to be honest, doesn't really have a great way of assessing that property value. So they really rely usually pretty heavily on what it was paid for. So, what does this mean? The taxes you pay, because you paid more than the previous owner, your taxes are going to go up, and likely quite a bit. So you really want to get a good handle on what that new possible assessed value could be and run those your numbers on that. Well, if you found any value in what I've said here today, would you do me a quick favor and share this with another investor, somebody who might find some value in this? But I really appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time.